Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to process orders in WooCommerce. This is an essential skill for managing your online store effectively, ensuring your customers receive their products on time and their information is correctly recorded. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WooCommerce store to access all the necessary features and order management tools. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, to process orders in WooCommerce, look to the left navigation menu and click on WooCommerce. This will expand to reveal several options related to your store's operations. From these expanded options, click on Orders. This section is where all your customer orders are organized and managed, making it the central hub for fulfilling purchases. Once you click on Orders, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all orders categorized by their different statuses, such as pending, processing, completed, and more. This organization helps you quickly identify which orders need immediate attention. To process an order, simply click on any order that's currently under the processing status. This will open up the detailed order overview page where you can review and manage all aspects of that specific order. On the order overview page, processing an order is pretty straightforward, but attention to detail is crucial. Start by filling in the required fields, such as your customer's billing and shipping addresses. These details ensure that the order reaches the right destination and matches the customer's payment information. Double-check that all addresses are complete and accurate to avoid any delivery issues. Next, carefully review the items listed in the order. Check the price, quantity, and total for each product to make sure everything matches the order summary. This verification step is important because it confirms that what the customer ordered aligns with what they'll receive and what they've paid for. Any discrepancies should be addressed before finalizing the order. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct and all fields are properly filled, look at the right side panel of the order page. Here you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Send Order Email. Click on this drop-down and change the status to Completed Order. This action prepares the system to notify the customer that their order has been processed and is on its way. After selecting Completed Order, click on Save Order and Save Email. This ensures that both the order status and the customer notification are properly recorded and sent. Finally, to complete the entire process, click on Update located on the top right part of your screen. Once you do this, you'll see that the order status changes to completed. This indicates that the order has been successfully processed and the customer has been notified accordingly. And that's how you efficiently process orders in WooCommerce, keeping your store running smoothly and your customers satisfied. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.